Now I request Sujata Salunke to please introduce our guest speaker, Dr. Veena Patil, madam. Good morning. Hello all participants in the Women's Day special webinar on the topic of women's psychological health in Prasuti Tantra and Sri Roga. I, Dr. Sujata Salunke, working as a lecturer in KC Ajmera Ayurveda College, Department of Prasuti Tantra and Sri Roga at Dhule. I am here to introduce our today's guest, Mrs. Dr. Veena Ajay Patil ma'am. Her qualification is MS Prasri Roga and Prasuti Tantra and PhD, Professor and HOD at Government Ayurveda College, Usmanabad. Her total teaching experience is 28 years. She is a member of editorial board of various international journals like International Journal of Ayurveda Darpana, International Journal of Recent and Futuristic Ayurveda Science. She had published 62 articles in various international journals. She attained more than 15 workshop and seminar allowed to India. She had 12 papers presented in various seminars. She worked resource person and chairperson in various seminars. Her administrative and extracurricular work during the government services is as follows. Sublection officer of MST CT 2011 at Usmanabad. Her academic activities as follows: work on staff selection committee of Maharashtra University of Health Science Nasik and several etc. Work as a center in charge and center observer, flying squad member and custodian coordinator for the Maharashtra University of Health Science. Work as a examiner for UG at Srimanta Shankaradeva University of Health Sciences, Guwahati, Assam. Honorable member in PhD registration committee in Rajiv Gandhi University of Health Science, Karnataka. And work as a committee member for the Central Council of Indian Medicines in New Delhi. Chairman Impact Assessment Committee for the MUHS Nasik and observer NEET UG and Government of Maharashtra. Instead of a good clinician and academician, she is well-known social worker in her area. Her social activity as follows: organized more than 100 free diagnostic camps, especially for the women health and maternal and child health, geriatric age group, adolescence age group, and diabetic, etc. Participated in the blood donation camp several times and donation blood more than 25 times. Donation of clothes, foods, and needy items to the leprosy patient at Kushtadham, orphans, and old age people. Free medical camps in Adivasi Ashram School, social awareness about family for planning in the slum area, delivered speech on awareness about Ayurveda in the various school and colleges, Rotary clubs, Bachat Gatas, and about the menstrual hygiene, women problem, maternal and child day, adolescents health problems and geriatric problem. Work for a single parent and widows. Food donation every month with the help of Annapurna Group of Usmanabad. She delivered lecture on the TV and radio in the several times. Her number of article published in the daily newspaper. In this COVID period, ma'am has seen pregnancy and COVID ward. Own pregnancy and COVID ward. She had honored with various awards like Sahyadri Sri Shakti Puraskar, awarded Government of the Maharashtra for the active participant in the Maha Arogya Shibir, awarded by the Government Maharashtra for active participant in organ donation program, best guide in the year of 2019 by GSC Usmanabad, awarded by the Government Maharashtra as a COVID warrior in 2021. This is the brief introduction of Dr. Veena Patil, madam. Now I would like to request madam to start her session. Welcome, ma'am.
Am I audible?
Yes, yes.
Am I visible and am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Good morning, everyone. Thank you, ma'am, for nice introduction. I am very much thankful to Dr. Shilpa ma'am, Dr. Rajesh Shah sir, and Team Ajmera College for giving me such a wonderful opportunity. My topic of presentation is Women's Psychological Health in Prasuti Tantra and Stri Rog. In simple word, Manasik Vikar arising from her Masik period. I'll start my presentation with blessings of Lord Dhanvantari. Introduction of my topic. Psychological health issues are seen in both men and women, but women are affected more as compared to men. In today's era, psychological disorders have become an important issue. Suicidal rates are at a rise. According to WHO, in India, the rate of psychological disorders is 1 out of 5 female and 1 out of 12 men. Thus, we can say that women are affected more than men. In our country, there is an understanding that rather misunderstanding that men are more stronger than women. No doubt it is somewhat true when we think of physical aspects. But psychologically, women are definitely more stronger than men. Still, menstrual disorders are more common in women. There are many reasons behind this fact. First and main reason is our male dominant society. Then the lack of education for female, lack of nutrition in them, lack of attention in house are some of the reasons behind it. In working class woman, they have to handle both her house as well as her office job, which is really stressful. With all these problems, she also has to go through her physical hardship like monthly menstrual cycle, then pregnancy, labor pain, lactational period, menopause, also responsibility as a parent, etc., etc., etc. All these factors slowly and steadily affect the woman's health and lead to stress and depression if not resolved at right time. Women never take her physical health as well as her mental health seriously. She never pay attention towards her health, even though her family members ignore her problems. They take long time to realize that what is really wrong with her, that they should consult a doctor. And till the time they realize the disorder we have taken very major form. So, an earlier assessment of psychological health issue is very important. Also, the hormones like estrogen, progesterone play an important role in female both physically and psychologically. The changing levels of hormone is also responsible for changing behavioral pattern in women. Thus, psychological disorders are mainly seen in life-changing stages like puberty, like pregnancy, after delivery, and menopausal stage. If proper intervention in all these stages of her life is done, then maximum of her psychological health issue can be resolved. Adolescent age group and psychological disturbance. Adolescent age means the teenage, means from 13 years to 19 years. This is a period of change. Change occurs in physical, mental, and social conditions. At this stage of her life, with physical changes are rapid. Changes in her attitude and behavior are also rapid. Here, hormonal changes are also taking place. According to a survey, it has been found that teenage girls who seek mental attention or who are facing some psychological issues are prone to become addict. 42% girls starts taking drugs, 33% girls starts taking alcohol, 29% girls start smoking, 42% girls in the age group of 16 to 21 become pregnant before marriage, 34% girls have unprotected sexual intercourse. In such girls, counseling is very important, and mother is the best and first counselor. Listen and reflect. The girl should be listened carefully and then judgment is passed. उसको अच्छी तरह से समझना चाहिए कि वो बच्ची ने ऐसा क्यों किया. Never judge. Any girl who is facing any mental issue should not be judged. आप झट से अपना ओपिनियन मत बनाओ कि उसने ऐसा क्यों किया. उसने ऐसा क्यों किया ये समझने की आप कोशिश करो. Activate family systems. Family should provide support. आप उसको क्वालिटी टाइम दे दो, आप उसको सपोर्ट दे दो कि उसने ऐसा क्यों किया. बी कॉम्पेंसेनेट. उसको साइकोलॉजिकली वो डिस्टर्ब है गर्ल, तो आप उसके साथ अच्छे से बिहेव करो. उसको हर बार गिल्ट फील मत आने दो. These are some मेधावी कल्प like ब्राह्मीवटी, ब्राह्मी तेल, मेध्य रसायन, शतावरी कल्प used in such adolescent psychological conditions. Arsh clinic, this is the new concept. Such clinic have been started by Government of India for teenagers for awareness. Arsh means adolescent reproductive and sexual health. This is new concept of our India. Such clinics have been started by Government of India for teenagers for awareness about their mental and sexual health. It is for us as a gynecologist, as a pediatrician, as a teacher, as a parent to see that they are cared for and vaccinated from dreaded diseases. Menstrual psychosis. This is the first and main psychological disorder in adolescent age group. It occurs between 3 days prior to 3 days after a menstrual cycle. During this period, an acute onset of impaired thought and emotions to the point connection with reality is lost and is followed by a full recovery to normalcy. Symptoms of menstrual psychosis are mood swings, depression, anxiety, irritability, confusion, stupor, mutism, delusion, and hallucination. Here we use Mastishka Balavardhak Kalp like Unmad Gajankush Rasa, Sarasvatarishta, Chaturbhuj Rasa. Here are some Univapath affecting the mental condition of woman, which disturb the psychological aspect of woman. First, we see the Shanti Univapath. Here, we have considered Shanti Univapath in two conditions. First is Turner syndrome and second is transgender. In these conditions, Buddhivardhak, Ekagratavardak Kalp are used like Bruhat Brahmivati, Manas Mitravatak, Bruhatvat Chintamani, Vasant Kalp, Kumar Kalyan Ras, and most important is counseling. Here we discuss one case of Turner syndrome. 18 years female patient came in our OPD. Chief complaints of the patient is amenorrhea, that is menarche not seen, irritability, unable to talk confidently with other person, depression, anxiety. On her physical examination, we see that her height is more than normal, that is 5 feet 9 inch. Her systemic examination is normal. On local examination, we found that her secondary sexual characters are not well developed. We advise chromosomal study. Then, with the help of ultrasonography, the impression of ultrasonography is smaller size uterus and ovary, suggestive of Turner syndrome. We gave Snehan and Sweden Matra Basti with Narayan Tel for 7 days for 3 months. Then Shirodhara with Jatamausi Tel, Brahmi Tel and Tiratel. For uterine development, we try Pushpadhanvaras, Laghumalini Vasantaras, Sarasvatarishta for 3 months and also reassurance and psychological support given to her. Result, as it is a chromosomal disorder, we can't do much for improvement of her anatomical changes. We can just improve the mental health of the patient so that she can become socially confident and active so that quality of her life can be improved. Examples of some exceptional transgenders. Nowadays, we see that in any government format, instead of only male and female gender, one more column is added, that is transgender. This change is really appreciable. Here we see three transgenders. One is Gauri Sawant, second is Lakshmi Narayan Tripathi, and third is Dr. Manabi Bandyopadhyay. गौरी सावंत ये जो ट्रांसजेंडर है ये एक अनाथ आश्रम चलाती है. Second one is Lakshmi Narayan Tripathi. She is a well-known Bharatnatyam dancer. She is the first transgender to represent the Asia Pacific in the United Nations in 2008. And third one is Dr. Manabi Bandyopadhyay, India's first openly transgender college principal. We really proud of them. Thinking about the mental health of the transgender, they overcome their defaults, took their situation positively, and live a wonderful, mentally healthy life. Here we see second Univapath, that is Vandhya Univapath, which affect the psychological condition of women. Female infertility and its treatment are very stressful for women in our society. It can lead to anxiety and depression. Already existing depression leading to infertility, infertility again leading to depression and becomes a vicious cycle. In such cases, proper counseling is very important along with treatment of infertility. To reduce stress levels, Panchakarma therapy like Shirodhara, Nasya, Padabhangya can be used. Case of primary infertility is discussed here. A 31-year-old female having primary unexplained infertility since 10 years. She was taking Ayurvedic treatment since 4 years but fails to conceive. The couple adopted a female child. After abortion, she was conceived naturally within 4 months. Here, stress is the main cause of infertility found in this case. After adoption, her stress completely relieved, her hormones become normal, and she got conception without any treatment. Recent study by Times of India Here, what are the doctors reporting? Lockdown helped some couples on infertility treatment and they conceive naturally. Hence, overstress and anxiety are the major causes of infertility. Noticeable rise in natural pregnancies is found during lockdown. Uh, Another univapor affecting the psychological condition of women is Paripluta univapor. Paripluta means Gramya Dharme Ruja Prushan. It's correlate with dyspareunia. If any woman has been sexually harassed in her life earlier, then such women are mentally disturbed and are fearful about sexually encounters, which have a very bad impact on their marital life. Depression, anxiety, fears, stress causes decreased sexual arousal, vaginal dryness occur, tightening of pelvic floor occur, and dyspareunia causes. Hence, counseling helps to overcome such situations. Atyananda Univapad is another univapad affecting the psychological condition of a woman. It can be correlated with nymphomania. The symptoms of Atyananda Univapad is excessive sexual desire, difficulty in concentrating, guilt, feeling of shame, or inadequacy. Treatment is proper counseling, cognitive behavioral therapy, and if required, antipsychotic drugs are given. PCOS and depression, polycystic ovarian syndrome is the major burning issue in current scenario. We know the symptoms of polycystic ovarian syndrome, that is irregular menses, oily skin, acne vulgaris, obesity, hirsutism, acanthosis. This leads to psychological disturbance, that is severe depression, mood swings, causes higher body mass index, then greater insulin resistance and risk of cardiovascular disease is more. Here, treatment is along with Panchakarma therapy, psychological assurance is very much helpful in such PCOS patient. Cancer, breast, and depression. Women with mastectomy for breast cancer are very anxious about their body image and sexual functioning. So, along with radiotherapy and chemotherapy, psychotherapy should be added to provide mental health, mental support to the struggling patient of CA breast. Yoshapasmar or hysteria is one of the major psychological illness in rural India. It is not related to Stri Prasutisan, hence not discussed. Rajoniruti or menopausal syndrome is badly affect the psychological condition of woman. Menopause means cessation of menses starts around 45 to 55 years of age. With physical symptoms, the psychological symptoms are depression, irritability, insomnia, tiredness, anxiety, forgetfulness, sleepiness, loss of libido, and loss of concentration. Here, it is the mood changes are due to fluctuating and declining estrogen levels. Low estrogen causes serotonin and norepinephrine, which are known as happy hormones. aggravation of some pre-existing psychological diseases like dementia, schizophrenia, bipolar disorders seen during this menopausal age. Then surgical menopause or Rajonivrutti. It is due to increasing cases of hysterectomy. Surgical menopause or hysterectomy causes sudden reduction in estrogen and progesterone levels. Psychiatric alterations seen with greater intensity than normal menopause. Here we see an article of Indian Express. महाराष्ट्र के एक जिले में, बीड़ जिले में एक शुगर केन वर्कर्स में ये एक मॉब साइकोलॉजी थी कि वो खेती में काम करने से पहले हर एक वो जो मुखिया रहता था वो हर औरत की हिस्टेक्टोमी है कि नहीं ये देखता था, क्योंकि वो 4 जो मेंस्ट्रुअल साइकिल के जो वो 4 दिन रहते थे वो हैम्पर द वर्क. सो इट इज द मॉब साइकोलॉजी, इसलिए ये पेपर कटिंग है. यहाँ पे अगर इसमें अगर मेनोपॉजल सिंड्रोम में फाइटोइस्ट्रोजेनिक ड्रग्स जो है वो बहुत लाभदायक रहते हैं, जैसे शतावरी, अश्वगंधा, बला, ब्राह्मी, शंखपुष्पी, यष्टिमधु, चंद्रशूर, ज्योतिषमती. If general debility is there, we use Chaturbhuj Ras, Brahmi Kruta, Ashwagandha Rishta, and for depression, we use Smruti Sagar Ras, Bruhat Brahmi Vati, Sarasvata Rishta. Panchakarma therapy is very much useful in this menopausal condition. Snehan and we use regularly Snehan and Svedan. Yapan Basti, Sneha Basti is very much useful. Shirodhara, Nasya with Shatavari Ghruta is very useful in these cases. Also, Satvavajay Chikitsa means Ashvasan, Yoga, Asana, Pranayam is very much useful in menopausal psychiatric illness. Here we discuss one case of Akala Rajonivrutti. A 32 years patient came in our OPD complaining of amenorrhea since 2 years, anxiety, lack of sleep, multiple joint pain, irritability, hot flashes, and giddiness. Her family history, her mother is also suffering from premature menopause. Obstetric history, systemic examination is normal. We gave in Abhantar Chikitsa, we gave her serum prasham, Brahmivati, Shatavari Kruta, Panchakarma with Nasya, Shatavari Kruta Nasya, Shirodhara with Badam tel, Jatamausi tel, Brahmi tel, and Tira tel. Also, counseling is very much important. After 3 months, irritability, hot flushes, anxiety, giddiness gradually reduces. She started getting good sleep. Here we complete the topic related to gynae, and we started pregnancy and psychological disturbance. Sharak says that Saumanasya Garbhadharanam Sreshtham. गर्भ के लिए केवल स्त्री और पुरुष इतना ही काफी नहीं है, उसमें मन का रोल भी उतना ही महत्वपूर्ण है. फॉर अ वुमन टू गेट कंसीव इट इज नेसेसरी टू बी मेंटली स्टेबल एंड हैप्पी सोल. हम इनफर्टिलिटी के केसेस में देखते हैं कि स्ट्रेस इज द मेन फैक्टर, मींस मन का गर्भधारणा में बहुत महत्वपूर्ण रोल है. यहाँ पे चरक और सुश्रुत दोनों ने भी गर्भाधान के लिए अयोग्य कपल बताए हैं. जो स्त्री चिंतित है, क्रोधित है, भयभीत है, शोकाकुल है, वो गर्भाधान के लिए अयोग्य बताए है। अगर ऐसे कपल ने गर्भाधान किया और संतति उत्पन्न हो गई, तो वो संतति भी साइकोलॉजिकली अफेक्ट हो सकती है। इसलिए चरक और सुश्रुत ने ये गर्भाधान के लिए अयोग्य बताई है। गर्भोत्पत्ति के लिए अब हमारे आचार्यों ने षड भाव बताए हैं। षड भाव में मातृज भाव है, पितृज भाव है। इसमें सबसे महत्वपूर्ण रोल सत्व का है। सत्वज भाव यानी कि गर्भ की उत्पत्ति के समय भक्तिशील शौच इनका होना इतना ही महत्वपूर्ण है जितना मातृज पितृज भाव का होना है। जैसे गर्भ की उत्पत्ति के लिए मन का होना महत्वपूर्ण है, वैसे ही गर्भ के घात के लिए भी आहार विहार के साथ मानसिक भाव का भी उतना ही रोल है। मानसिक भाव से भी गर्भ का नाश हो सकता है। अगर वो गर्भिणी स्त्री हमेशा चिंतित रहती है, क्रोधित रहती है, शोकाकुल रहती है, तो उसकी होने वाली संतति भी साइकोलॉजिकली अफेक्ट हो सकती है या उसका गर्भस्राव या गर्भपात हो सकता है। Bad obstetric history means it consists stillbirth, recurrent abortion, intrauterine growth retarded, intrauterine fetal death. इन सभी में हमें एक फैक्टर कॉमन दिखाई देता है, वो है स्ट्रेस या psychological condition. Here we see how stress अफेक्ट हो सकती है। यहाँ हम गर्भिणी अपस्मार की केस देख सकते हैं।
हॅलो मॅडम, तुमचा
हाँ,
व्हिडिओ नाही दिसत आहे. कॅन यू प्लीज शेअर अगेन?
यस।
Yes, now it is visible.
Okay. Here we see the case of Garbhini अपस्मार, उन्मादन अपस्मार। यहाँ हम वेगकालीन गर्भिणी अपस्मार में चिकित्सा दे सकते हैं कि उसका इंजुरी ना हो, टंग बाइट ना हो, उसको ऑक्सीजन सप्लाई अच्छी तरह से होना चाहिए। और अवेगकालीन चिकित्सा में हम उसको रसायन या अपुनर्भव चिकित्सा दे सकते हैं। यहाँ गोघृत का उपयोग बहुत लाभदायक हो सकता है। वचा का अवघ्राणन, इंटरनली शतावरी अश्वगंधा, मेधामृत, ब्राह्मी प्राश, आमल की रसायन दे सकते हैं। ऑल्सो psychological assurance and health counseling is more important in that cases. Here is the condition of pseudocyesis. Pseudocyesis means phantom pregnancy or false pregnancy. It is the psychopathological clinical syndrome. जो महिलाएं इनफर्टिलिटी से ग्रस्त है, वो they are desperately willing for child. This is the multifactorial disease, neuroendocrinal causes, social causes, साइकोडायनेमिक कॉजेस आर देयर। उसको एक फैमिली प्रेशर रहता है कि बच्चा होना ही है, तो ऐसी महिलाओं में जो है वो हाइपोथैलेमिक पिट्यूटरी ओवेरियन एक्सिस जो है वो एबनॉर्मल हो जाता है, डोपामाइन डिफिशियंसी हो जाती है, लीडिंग टू गैलेक्टोरिया, उनके ब्रेस्ट से सिक्रीशंस आते हैं, उन डिक्रीज FSH एंड LH लेवल्स, लीडिंग टू अमेनोरिया, और उसको लगता है कि अमेनोरिया है, स्तन से सिक्रीशंस आ रहे हैं, तो वो सफरिंग, शी इज प्रेग्नेंट, उसको ऐसा लगता है। लेकिन अगर ऐसे केसेस में हम यूरिन प्रेगनेंसी टेस्ट करते हैं तो वो नेगेटिव आती है, या फिर अल्ट्रासोनोग्राफिकली हम उसको डिटेक्ट कर सकते हैं फैंटम प्रेगनेंसी, और उसको अगर ट्रीटमेंट देना है तो उसको इमोशनल सपोर्ट से वो पेशेंट ठीक हो सकती है। This is the most burning issues in today's time. COVID positive pregnancy. Already she is suffering from pregnancy, and जब वो कोविड पॉजिटिव आती है तो उसको झट से आइसोलेट करते हैं। आइसोलेट यानी कि वो स्वतंत्र एक कक्ष में अकेली रहती है, उसको स्ट्रेस रहता है, सोशल मीडिया में भी देखती रहती कि आज इतने कोरोना पॉजिटिव है, आज इतनी कोरोना डेथ हो गई है, तो उसको एक मेंटल स्ट्रेस रहता है, उसको मेंटली वो टोटली डिस्टर्ब रहती है। और ऐसी महिलाओं में प्री मैच्योर लेबर दिखाई दिया है, बहुत सी महिलाओं में अबॉर्शन दिखाई दिया है। तो ऐसे पेशेंट्स में अगर हम कोविड पॉजिटिव प्रेगनेंसी पेशेंट में उसको प्रॉपर काउंसलिंग, प्रॉपर एश्योरेंस और इमोशनल सपोर्ट देके हम उसको फुल टर्म तक कैरी कर सकते हैं। यहाँ गर्भिणी मानस विकार की चिकित्सा सिद्धांत है कि यहाँ हम शोधन चिकित्सा नहीं दे सकते, तो शमन में मेथ्य रसायन और गर्भिणी परिचर्या, विच इज द यूनिक कंसेप्ट ऑफ आवर आयुर्वेदा, then दैव व्यपाश्रय चिकित्सा और सत्वउजे is very much helpful in pregnancy psychological disorders. प्रेगनेंसी के बाद हम सुतिका मानस रोग का थोड़ा सा विचार करेंगे। सुतिका में सुतिका उन्माद और सुतिका अपस्मार जो है, ये दो कंडीशन में अब हमें साइकोलॉजिकल वो जो महिला है वो डिस्टर्ब रहती है। यहाँ पे हम उसको सुतिका भरण रस, प्रताप लंकेश्वर रस, स्मृति सागर, जो रसकल्प हमारे जो है वो बहुत इसमें से लाभदायक होते हैं। सुतिका परिचर्या का रोल यहाँ बहुत महत्व जो है, जो हमारी आयुर्वेद की एक यूनिक कंसेप्ट है। यहाँ पे धूपन चिकित्सा जो है वो बहुत लाभदायक होती है। यहाँ पे हम साइकेट्रिक डिसऑर्डर्स देख सकते हैं प्यूरपेरियम में। इफ puerperial blues is left untreated, it convert into puerperial depression. If puerperial depression is left untreated, it converts into puerperial psychosis. यहाँ पे puerperial disorders के causes है. Some of the reasons are sudden and quick changes in the hormones, stillbirth or intrauterine death, intrauterine growth retardation, baby injured during pregnancy, malformed child, multipara having only female child, हर बार उसको female child हो रहा है, तो वो psychologically बहुत disturb होती है. Bad obstetric history, lactational failure are some reasons of puerperial disorders. Here, puerperal blues, clinical features of puerperal blues are restlessness, anxiety, sadness, disturbance of sleep, lack of concentration, fearfulness. Management for puerperal blues is psychological and emotional support, adequate sleep, and counseling. Sutika Ausad, puerperal depression. Here, in weight gain or weight loss along with depression, management is psychotherapy. If required, anti-anxiety drugs and antidepressant drugs are given to the patient. puerperal psychosis. Patient may kill the baby or may commit suicide. ये एक थर्ड स्टेज रहती है सुसाइड की. यहाँ पे मैनेजमेंट में हम देख सकते हैं कि एंटी डिप्रेसेंट और मूड स्टेबिलाइजर ड्रग्स, एंटीसाइकोटिक ड्रग्स में यूज टू दीज पेशेंट्स. सुतिका उसा की एक केस है. A female patient of 22 years, full-term private gravida, delivered normally in our hospital. Her main complaints are insomnia, anxiety, tearfulness, restlessness, depression, negative feeling towards her baby, even though she is priming. Her past illness, menstrual illness, obstetric, and examination is absolutely normal. Systemic examination is normal. We gave Sarvangas Nehan, Sarvangas Vedan, and Dhupan with Chatamausi, Brahmi, Gugul, and Aguru. Abhyantar Chikitsa, Shatavari Ashwagandha, Dashamularishta, Saraswatarishta, Pratap Lankeshan for 10 days. Counseling, reassurance, and psychological support. After treatment, tearfulness and anxiety reduced gradually. She started getting good sleep. The bond between mother and baby improved. Lastly, I would like to address all the women that you are more precious to this world than you will ever know. Every woman should know that her mental health is very powerful asset for the society. We all have seen in our home that if the mother in the house is upset, somehow all the aura of the house is negative or in bad mood. That much is the influence of a woman on her surrounding environment. If a woman is physically and mentally strong, her whole house will be strong enough. If, as a woman, you are taking care of your mental health, you are taking care of your whole family, and if every woman acquires such strength, our whole nation will be in prosperous state. If you take care of your mind, you take care of the world. You are precious, you are worthy, and you can accomplish anything you want in life. All you have to do is be sound in mind and body. Thank you very much for patience listening.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for such an informative and nice lecture. Really, this will help us in our routine practice. Thank you, ma'am. Now I request Dr. Sonal Mirchandani for vote of thanks.
Hello everyone, good morning. Myself Dr. Sonal Mirchandani. Today webinar was organized by KC Ajmera College. So on this occasion of Women's Day, we have been fortunate to have Dr. Veena Patil ma'am as a speaker today. The session was really informative and unique in its own way. I thank to our honorary Dr. Veena Patil ma'am for this session, and honorary Dr. Our principal Dr. Rajesh Shah sir. I would like to thanks all the participants of this webinar also, and special thanks to all the international participants too. Thank you everyone for making this event very successful. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.